Hi, this is Jason, and today I want to walk you through our Qualtrics survey template. This template allows you to embed a Qualtrics survey in volunteer science using an iframe. All you need to do is provide a name for the survey and its URL. So let's get started. Just as a demo, I think we don't have a survey here yet, no survey URL. So if I launch it without it, it's just going to give me an infinite screen. So all you need to do to make this work is to go to the Variables tab, put in the URL for your survey. I think I have an example here. Most of these URLs will require a question mark at the end. Some don't. If for whatever reason you have a problem with your Qualtrics survey not showing up, either add the question mark or delete the question mark at the end of the URL and try it again. So I've added the question mark. I'm going to update. Go over to demo. And I don't do the question mark. Delete the question mark, update, demo, launch. And there we have it, our Qualtrics survey in an iframe. Just a couple of other things to mention here. The survey height is based on the viewer height units. You can change it to the number of pixels or percentage of the window. It's up to you. 85 viewer height is typically flexible enough for mobile and browser. And you can also add a title. This displays it at the top for the user so they know what study they're in, but it's optional. Lastly, the bulk of the code here lives in survey.html. You can open this up. It's already ready for Mechanical Turk. If you want to run Turkers, there's also a function for calling consent. You can dig into the code here to add your own flavor. Okay, thank you so much. If you have any questions, please email us at support@volunteerscience.com. Thank you.